Well, hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to the Ordinary Film Studios production facility. This soundstage is where the best work is done, has the best lighting. So I went to the coin shop and I wanted to pick up some fractional. So I ended up getting some fractional Brits. And these are 1/4. This is a 1/4 Britannia 2024. These are the only ones I have with the new monarch, with Prince Charles, with King Charles. 50 pence, valued at 50 pence, huh? Okay. I never really paid attention to what the Britannias are, what their face value is. So that's a 50 pence right there. I had a purpose in mind when I bought these, but I've since changed my mind, and I'm not going to use them for that. I'm not going to do that after all. But it doesn't hurt to have them, right? Most people, well, I don't know most people. I know some people. I usually get my fractional silver in the form of junk silver. So now I have some other, okay, so I got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 8 1/4s, and then I picked up some 1/10 ounce rounds, and this one resembles a, man, I gotta clean that one. It does got kind of grimy. I'll hit that with the alcohol prep pad. That'll clean right up. And I picked up 5. Zoom back out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Picked up 5 1/10 ounce. And I already had some 1/10 ounce in inventory, so I didn't need to get so many of them. These will just go into inventory now, since my other plan is moot at this point. But while I was there, while I was at the coin shop, Jared saw me and he's like, "Oh, hey, Darren." So he called me, and then he called me over. And so I was pleased to see that these two had come back from the grading service. And so I did post a video. Let's zoom in a little bit. This one is the 2018 Perth Mint Bird of Paradise, the first in the series. And this one rated a MS 69. And you know, that 4/9 gold, look at the color on that. Let me zoom in. I mean, just stunning, just beautiful. Looks like there's something on the wing, but I believe that's on the holder, not on the wing. All right, this is why I came out to the production facility, because it has better lighting. Look at the shine on that. I mean, just gorgeous. Okay. And see, here's who I'm used to seeing Elizabeth. Right? Because I think we all got used to seeing her. And I know a lot of people didn't like her. They called her the lizard lady or something like that. You know, I had no animosity toward the woman. She didn't ask for what happened to her. Right? None of us have control over where we are born. But look at that bad boy right there. Oh, excuse me. I just ate a little while ago. Okay, so the 2018 first in the series of Bird of Paradise came back with the 69, and the 2019 rated a 70. 2019 Perth, $100 face value. Look at the color on that. Now they were already in the airtights, and I didn't realize how scratched up those airtights had gotten. And this one's I think a Manucodia or something. And this is the second and last in the Bird of Paradise series. Unfortunately, the Perth Mint, they never did a 2020 Bird of Paradise. Maybe they'll pick it up and run with it again later. Look at the color. Man. You know, I mean, proof gold is just amazing. It's proof around the edges, right? And the bird is proof. Okay, the reverse. The old gal. $100. A slightly different portrait. Let me zoom out. A different portrait. All right, one is a bust and one's a portrait, I guess. And there's a this one you can see like it has like an inner circle right there. Or on this one, she's just in the field. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that. And the time to come back, it wasn't like 4 to 5 months. Because I just posted that video showing when I took these in. I mean, you can go in my history and find it if you want, but this is how they look now. I got a complete set. They only did 2, and I got both of them. I checked I went on the website, the PCGS website, and checked the population. There's a total of 7 2018s that have been graded, and one's a 68, and then 69 and 70, and mine's one of the 69s in that list. Only a total of 7 of these ever been graded, and only a total of 4 of these have ever been graded. And only one of those was a 69, the other 3 are 70s. So no one's sending these in to get graded. You know, you're not going to see these. And I never really saw anyone else with a YouTube channel showing these birds of paradise. And you're not going to see them again either, because I'm going to swing by the bank deposit box right now and put them in cold storage. So, all right, my friends, I thought you would enjoy seeing that. And it's good for me to get one more look at them before I put them away. So you folks have a good day.